In this visualization, we're going to be exploring physician quality performance for 5 key measures: colorectal screening, eye examination, influenza vaccines, mammography screenings, and nephropathy assessments. The visualization is going to represent the practices listed on the right. Based on the filter you select, you will see that data represented in the visualization. Right now we have the Knox practice selected, and as you can see, we have the practice level quality performance rate represented in the visualization. The green lines, the green reference lines on the screen are the targets for each measure. If we want to look at practice specific provider performance at each practice, we drill down into the practice by selecting the plus sign, and we're able to look at the specific physician practice performance. If we would like to look at a different practice, we deselect the one we are looking at and select a different practice. If you like to compare practice to practice and not specific providers, you're able to select multiple practices, and we're easily able to compare multiple practices with each other. The performance rates are sorted from highest to lowest, so we can clearly identify higher performance versus lower performance. Thank you very much. And again, this is a visualization for physician quality performance measures. Thank you.